Good morning, class. Today we will discuss the next segment of the chapter Russian Revolution. Now, as you know that we have seen yesterday liberals, radicals and conservative how they were living in the society and what were their ideas. So, because the structure of the society was capitalist, we have discussed this much, and here we'll see how the society was uh, living and how was the system of that Russian society. So industrial society and change, because we know that this is the 19th century last and the changes were coming, societies were converting into industrial society. We know the condition of agriculture in these countries. Generally it is not, for some extent it's good, but in Russia both the things were continued, agriculture and industrialization. So here we'll see, like, this was the period of industrialization when the new cities and new industries region developed, railways expanded and industrial revolution started. Because French Revolution had given the glimpse of change, like what the revolution industries people were working and same. But in Russian Revolution we'll see the whole picture totally changed, because people were migrating, people were shifting from village to city in want of job or employment. So men, women and children worked in the factories, and the working hours were long and wages were low. The main problem faced were unemployment, housing, sanitation. Means you can have an idea about when people who were shifting from village to cities, the condition how kind it would be. Means when the families they were moving from village to cities, so there is a crowd in the cities and men, women, children work in the factories. Everyone in want of work and money, everyone working in the factory, the working hours, because factories were limited, industries were limited, they were in pockets, you can say. Only two cities were there. This we'll discuss in the coming segment. Firstly, we are taking how the society was changing. So unemployment, housing, sanitation, these were the problems. And the liberals and the radicals who were factory owners opposed the privileges enjoyed by the aristocracy on the basis of birth. Now you can see here the same situation took place as it was in France. So, liberal and radicals who were the factory owners opposed the privileges enjoyed by the aristocracy on the basis of birth. Means, like, same situation we have discussed in France. So it was that only two, like liberal and radicals, they were enjoying all the rights, but ultimately the people who were poor, they were in condition of bearing all the hardship of life. They stress that the benefits of industry should be passed on to the workers. So, coming of socialism in Europe, to see that, how what had happened in France society, means the people when they saw this kind of situation took place, so some of them were opposed of the system. Same happened here. Some writers, some scholars who were against of this, and some businessmen, some industrialists, because all people are not same in any society. So coming of socialism to Europe, how it came, we'll see. The idea of socialism attracted widespread attention in the mid 19th century. Socialists were against of property and saw it as the root of all social evils. Means you can see, if money is more and it is the main priority of any of the society, so what kind of situation would be there? Means people will be corrupted, they will think only for the profit. Equal or socialism will be affected, equality. The socialist had different vision of the future. Means if it is happening continuously, So some people thought what would be the society. So on the basis of that, Robert Owen sought to build a cooperative community called New Harmony in Indiana. Means he is one of the businessmen at that time, and he thought about means what should be there in the society. In France, Louis Malkin, the pictures have been given, both of them, wanted the government to encourage cooperatives. Cooperatives, you understand this? The people the group of the people who think for the betterment of society. And this term you will study in 10th class in a detail. So cooperatives means when a few or rich people or well-to-do people, they think over and collectively they work for the welfare of society to help the all segment, all means small kind of businessmen, so then development can come. Replace the capitalist enterprises. Replace the capitalist enterprises means the people, a handful of people who are the rich, and all profit is taken by them. It is not distributed, and the profit is not given to even the workers who make them rich. Cooperatives were association of the people who reproduce goods together, divided the profits amongst the member according to the work done by them. Means now somewhere you have seen, like any profit when take place to the capitalist owner, generally they give some incentive, some bonus to their employees. But it was not in the Russian society, because it was not thought regarding, like, because capitalists wanted their own profit. When it was happening, poor were more poor, richer were more richer. So this was the trend. So by this, some writers came up, they wrote about, like Karl Marx is one of the main important figure. We'll see in the chapter how it motivated the class. So here you can see New Harmony, the town, Indiana, how, because this is the one of the posh one, and the references are given. But after this we move to the NCRT text, where we'll see the situation, the main points of the chapter. So capitalist will discuss afterwards. Now after is this PPT, and we see the text, because we are not apart from this, and because we have to study the text even. So industrial society in Chin, we have seen the people were moving toward the factory region, and what was the situation, everyone is there. And simultaneously here we'll see that the people were sometimes opposed of the privilege of the old aristocracy had been birth, means the people who were enjoying the rights from the birth, it was not good for them, means. And sometimes the radicals who were in favor of such kind of people, and they were against of this injustice, so sometimes they rallied around them. Here you will see that the it is given here, the rally around them means people were supporting them, that they were raising their voice of them, so people start following them. Some nationalist liberals and radicals wanted revolution to put an end of the kind, means they have an idea regarding the French Revolution, that they had in this mind ki if revolution will be there, so some changes will come in the society. So in France, Italy, Germany, Russia, they became revolutionaries and walked overthrew the existing monarch. The situation changed place, you can say take place in the society. Nationalists talk of revolutionaries. Nationalist means some parties were there, socialist, nationalist, they were there. And nationalists talk about the revolution would create a nation. Now here this word is very much important. This word is very much important when we discuss nation. Nation means the feeling of nationalist, the feeling of patriotic sense, like the feeling when the people are having their own symbol, emblems, their flag, their some, like in French Revolution, whatever the symbols we read there, such kind of thing when they have, means the feeling of nationalism automatically comes. When all the citizens were, तो इनमें क्या था, many of the important personalities were there, like this is the main figure of the continent Europe, Giuseppe Mazzoni. Italian nationalist he was, and he conspired with the achieve of this in Italy and national elsewhere, including India, read his writing. मीन्स वहाँ पर क्या था, ही वॉज वेरी मच पॉपुलर एंड हिज नेम एंड फेम रीच्ड फार एंड वाइड आउट ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट. Now, coming of socialism, we have discussed, and these two personalities which I just discussed through the PPT, that Robert Owen, you have the detail of that. He was the English manufacturers, and in France, there, for instance, Louis Palkin, who he was the means the government, he encouraged the cooperative replace the capitalist. Means if cooperative there are the capitalists, the businessmen can be replaced from this. Now, another figure is that Karl Marx. Here we see the Karl Marx, the time period is of 1818, and another was that the Friedrich Engels, that in 1820 to 95 his ideas were, now it is very important regarding, sometimes the question comes regarding this. So industrial society was capitalist and owned the capital invested in factories and profit capitalist produced by the workers. Means he wanted to say that whatever the profit come, if the capitalists are becoming more capitalist, more richer, so by whom means the people who are working, by the workers, they must be profited. So condition of the worker could not improve as long as, means worker are in pathetic condition, but the capitalists are in aristocratic way. So Marx believed that to free themselves from the capitalist exploitment, workers had to construct radically socialist society where all property was socially controlled. Means there should be some system so that equal distribution of money could take place, and this would become the communist society, and he was convinced that the workers would trump in their conflict and capitalists. A communist society was the natural society of future. Means they have this vision, if it happens, means equal distribution of money should be there in the society, it will be the great one or the best one. Okay, so after this we go back to the same PPT for the another discussion, but I'll show you that this is paragraph only one important. There is a vision of three parties which were popular in the continent, so we'll discuss them and afterwards we'll proceed to the main topic of Russian Revolution. So in 70s the social idea spread through your thorough Europe, all everywhere it was. Workers in England and Germany began forming association, unions, and they were fighting for better living condition and working condition. Means where the people are working in factories, the condition should be good. They set up the funds for member, and the times distress demand reduction of working hours and right to vote. Now see, the condition were not good of the people who were working. They will not having right the vote, and the working hours were more, salary or wages were less. So in Germany, association worked closely with Social Democratic Party, SPD. This was the party of Germany. And when the parliamentary seats by 1905, you will all study in Nazism when we discuss the chapter Hitler 1. So Socialist Trade Union formed Labour Party. In 1905, we'll see that Socialist, दिस अनदर पार्टी, लेबर पार्टी जो थी ये थी ब्रिटेन की, ठीक है, एंड सोशलिस्ट पार्टी इट वाज इन फ्रांस. So in 1914, whenever succeeded, so government in Europe represented by the strong figure of parliament and politics, their ideas did shape the legislation. Government continue to run by the conservative, liberal and the radicals. We'll see in the next segment this. Okay, so now I stop this video here, and because afterwards we'll start Russian Revolution. Thank you.